Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Social Security Retirement Online Easy Guide. Start by gathering your Social Security number, birth certificate, W-2 or Form 1099, and banking information for direct deposit. Visit the official Social Security website, create or sign into your account, and follow the retirement application prompts step by step. Review benefit estimates, select your start date, confirm details, and submit your application securely. Learn who qualifies and what documents you need to complete the application quickly. Check your earliest eligibility, understand how claiming earlier or later affects your monthly benefit, and estimate benefits using the online calculator. Make sure your mailing address and phone number are current, and consider saving a copy of the confirmation for your records. Contact Social Security if you hit errors during submission for prompt assistance. Double-check spelling to avoid delays. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while filling out forms to keep focus and energy, and stay comfortable during online steps. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. I also recommend the Owala water bottle I'm using for long sessions. It keeps water cold and is easy to carry. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After you submit, expect an online confirmation and a mailed letter detailing your award decision and payment schedule. Processing times vary, so keep copies of your submission and check my Social Security account for status updates. If you disagree with a decision, learn about appealing and required forms early. Plan payments and taxes by reviewing how benefits interact with other income, and consider speaking with a financial advisor when unsure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.